Hey, fellow gardeners and nature lovers, if you want your garden to thrive and produce abundant harvests, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tips. Today, we're revealing something special: the incredible benefits of simple baking soda for your vegetables. Did you know that this common household item can be a magical formula for the health and growth of many plants? Imagine this: something so affordable and easy to find can help your plants become stronger, more resilient, and more productive. Baking soda isn't just for cooking or cleaning, it's a true secret ally in your garden. In today's video, we'll talk about the vegetable crops that benefit the most from this simple yet powerful addition. From tomatoes to cucumbers, peppers, zucchini, and many others, all these plants can thrive with the help of baking soda, and the results are truly impressive. Stick with us until the end of the video to discover the secret recipe that will turn your garden into a paradise for vegetables. Baking soda acts as a natural pH regulator in the soil, which is crucial for many vegetable crops. For example, tomatoes prefer slightly acidic soil, but too much acidity can negatively affect fruit development. That's where baking soda comes in as a lifesaver. The mild alkalinity of baking soda helps neutralize acidity and provides optimal growing conditions. Cucumbers, not only will they grow faster, but they'll also be more resistant to diseases, thanks to the antibacterial properties of baking soda. Zucchini, yes, they will become more resistant to root rot. Peppers, their fruits will be firmer and juicier. And this is just a small part of the vegetable crops that love baking soda. But did you know there's a special combination of baking soda that gives even better results? Stay with us because we're about to reveal the secret recipe that will take your garden to the next level. The recipe is simple. In 1 liter of water, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and stir well. Spray this mixture on your plants once a week, and soon you'll notice how they become stronger, more resilient, and more fruitful. Try it out and let us know the results in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the best tips for your garden. Also, check out our other videos where we'll reveal more amazing tricks for a healthier and more successful garden.